Hey guys, welcome back to Stay in Trading. My name is Marnie, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the EAs that I've been using for a while now. And I'm going to be showing you what the settings are that has worked for me. And guess what? This is an absolutely free trading robot. It's one that you can find on your MetaTrader 4 or 5 app. We've back tested it for you, and we have found some really good settings that are yielding some really good results for us. We're gaining about 8 to 9% on our account per month, which isn't bad at all. And I would love to share it with you guys today. So if you are looking at some automation in your trading, you want to get some EAs going to help you grow your accounts while you live your best life, then this is definitely the episode for you. Let's jump onto my MetaTrader and I can show you this stunning EA that I absolutely love. And I think it's a really great addition to your trading portfolio. All right, guys, here I am on my MetaTrader 5. I like to trade on MetaTrader 5. This one is going to work on both 4 and 5, but it is really a great robot. Now, this robot's name is called the Grid Machine. So this is an amazing free robot in your MetaTrader that you can download, and I'm going to show you the best settings to use for this robot to yield some really great results. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to set up the Grid Machine on your MetaTrader 5. You can do this on 4 as well. Same process. It's simple to do. Let me jump away and show you how to set up the Grid Machine on your trading system now. All right, so step number 1 when trading. So step number 1 is you need to log into your MQL5 community. If you do not have an MQL5 account, you need to log into it on your Google. Just go MQL5 and it will open up the Google website for you, and then just register an account. It's absolutely for free, and then you just simply come here and you access the settings, and then once you've accessed the settings, you can then enter the MQL community. So you would find it here under your tools section. Go down to MQL5 community marketplace. It will open up all the different expert advisors and stuff that you can use here. I would highly suggest just opening it up a little bit. All right, let's have a look. So one of the things we want to have is we have our expert advisors here, and you can just go into that and type in Grid Machine, and there it is. So it is the Grid Machine. If you are on MetaTrader 4, it will say Grid Machine here. It's an absolutely free robot. Simply just click on it here. And here, although mine says open, yours would say install. You can simply install it here. Here is all of the settings, the minimum deposits that you can do. What I would recommend running any of my robots, especially when I run them through a testing phase, I would run them on a cent account with my favorite broker. If you want to know who my broker is, just click on the links below, grab my book and grab my training course. And there you also get all the links to my broker. And we use cent accounts to test all of these different strategies. And I really love my broker. So here is all the basic settings. It's not too complicated EA. If you've used them before, it's a basic grid type of trading robot. It's really produced some good results. Again, don't just believe everything we say. Backtest it yourself. If you don't know how to backtest, then that's another opportunity for you to get my book, because in there I actually teach you how to backtest, and I have 2 free training sessions every single week where I show you how we do the backtesting. I do it with you, and we show you how everything works and how you can benefit from learning how to include EAs into your trading strategy. So once you have installed it, you would then get the Grid Machine would then appear here under under advisors. So you will see here, let me just drop all of this down. It will say expert advisors right here. you can simply just click this open and you will see the grid machine will be installed right here. And what you would do is then you would open up two charts of Euro USD, one here and one there. So you simply just go to Euro USD, drag it across the charts to here, and it will open up another chart. Just make sure it's in the gray area. If you can't pull a chart on a chart, but yes, you will get it right here. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go and set up the settings. So the settings will come in here. If you want the settings for the robot, not a problem. Click on the link below, and I have a nice PDF there for you with the settings for the grid machine, how to set it up, what are the best settings that we found with the back testing results, and you can then just simply copy it along. So what you would do is you would simply take all of those settings that we have given you on the PDF, and you can simply just put them into, oh, why is this thing not going to pull bigger? You can simply just put it into, we're going to get it now. Oh, there we go. So you can simply just input the settings here that we have back tested. We've got multiple back tests that we've done, low, medium, and high risk settings for you. You can decide which ones is your favorite, and you can simply then just input them here, click OK, and the robot will go on to trade for you, and you can then just have it on autopilot. And that is how simple it is to use our grid machine free trading robot, and you can potentially have some extra pips in your bag every single week by having some of your EAs take over some of the heavy lifting. I was very negative about EAs a couple of years ago, but with my recent endeavors, actually being introduced to them through one of my mentors and learning how they function and what they can potentially offer us as traders, I am completely submerged into robots. I love the whole concept of it. The important part is just being part of a community which is consistently and regularly back testing these robots to make sure that they are being used in the right time frame. Because the reality with robots is just as quick as they can grow your account, they can blow your account. And the reason for that is because they have no bias. They simply follow a strategy. So it's very important to consistently backtest them. And also, it's fairly important for you to make sure that every 3 months you review your trading robot to make sure that it's still profitable and the settings suit your account. The great part about robots is they're more consistent than we are. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and if you go and test out the grid machine, please in the comment section, drop me your results. Back test it for yourself. Maybe you found some settings that are better than mine. We would love to try them out. As always, guys, whenever you try out a trading robot, try it out on a demo account, or we like to use cent accounts because the risk is really small, and it's a really great way to potentially earn some extra pips per day by automating some of the strategies you don't want to trade. So this is a really amazing way. I love my robots, guys. So if you found some if you enjoyed this content and you thought that you learned a lot, please give me the thumbs up. I want to share this with a lot more people because I believe it can benefit so many people. And then, yeah, please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be dropping a lot more videos here where you can learn more EAs, get some more free EAs, maybe some more paid EAs. We'll see what happens. I've also got my ebook that I've written. It's all about all the things that I would have loved to know when I started trading. So it's a comprehensive step-by-step guide that you can go through to learn all of the basics, understand the terminology, understand the basic indicators in trading. Because like I say, whenever you want to learn something, you need to understand the basics. It's like going to try and play a sport by not understanding the rules. And if you don't understand the rules, there's no way for you to win. The exact same thing with trading. You need to learn the rules, and that's exactly what I did in my book. I've also included a VIP room where I trade live myself. You can copy some of the trades that I do, and you also get to shout out some of your trades or some of your inputs. And every time we get a robot that we believe is really good, we give it out to our community absolutely free with the best settings. So guys, thank you so much for spending this time with me. And as we say at Stay in Trading, happy trading, guys.